So in Shenzhen, you can tell the difference between a gas truck like this one, which you can hear, by the color of the plate. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but this one's green because this one is electric, and this one's electric. You can see the big box right behind the cab. This one, this one, this one. Oh, there we go, there's a gas one. And another electric one. And another electric one. But for everybody who says, yeah, you can't have that, there's a gas one. Plus you can hear the difference, you know, the gas ones are super stinky. But anyways, beautiful Shenzhen.